Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, it's me, your FlyLady Kat. I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, and if you're a payroll Fly Baby, you have a 3-layer cake. If you're an at-home Fly Baby, a 2-layer cake. So let's get started with payroll. If you're a payroll Fly Baby, you're going to get up in the morning and do your morning routine, followed by your children's morning routine. You ask why? Because your kids need to be up, dressed, and fed so that they can participate in these activities that we're going to be doing so that they can participate even more in their family fun day. Okay, this is not just your home, it's everyone's home. All right, so you're going to get up and do those two things, and then you're going to do your laundry. You're going to get your laundry started, or if it's your children's laundry day, they're going to get theirs started. And while that's going, you're going to do an inch of paper, because we do paper 6 days a week, every day the mail runs in the United States. Okay, next we're going to do our basic weekly plan items that didn't get done during the week. So look through the week and see. Monday, weekly home blessing hour. Is there any of that left to do? Let's get that done. Tuesday is a free day. We're not going to be participating in that today. Wednesday is our planning and desk day. Did you miss anything? Did you get all your bills paid? Have you balanced your checkbook? Have you made your grocery list? Have you looked at your budget? Have you cleaned out the fridge a little bit? All right, if you missed any of those things, pop in there or delegate that. Maybe your husband can balance the checkbook and your oldest child can clean the refrigerator while you make the grocery list. It all depends on your family's dimensions and what they can do and what you feel comfortable letting them do. Okay. Don't forget, perfectionism is not a good thing. Next thing we're going to work on is Thursday. What happened on Thursday? That was our errand day. Did you get your groceries purchased? Did you get all your errands done? If you have things that need to be done outside the home, hold those off. But remember that we have to get that done today. We're going to go next to car and purse day. Did you forget that? Let's take care of it. All right, now we're at Saturday. Now, the third thing that we're doing in our 3-layer cake is our zone. So if you missed working 4 days in your zone this week, if you didn't declutter for 4 days, or you didn't deep clean for 4 days, maybe you did it once, maybe you did it twice, maybe you did it 3 days. Whatever's left has to happen today. So if it's decluttering, it's 15 minutes, take a break, 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 and then put it away, throw it away, give it away. Don't leave those boxes of clutter in your house. Don't leave those boxes of giveaway in your house. They will reassimilate. Take them out. Make this efficient, okay? And then as far as if you don't have decluttering to do, or you only have 1 or 2 days to declutter, the other remaining 4 days that you didn't do deep cleaning, we're going to do some deep cleaning. So pick 4 things that really need to be done in here. Delegate. You're all in there together so you can see what's going on. Have the youngest one get a wet cloth and wipe the baseboards. Have the older one clean the window. Have the middle one vacuum under the couch cushions, and maybe you clean the ceiling fan. You know, it doesn't have to be all you. But anyway, get those things done. Once that's done, then you can go do your errands, and once the errands are done, you're free to have family day. Now, a lot of people have lawn and yard work that happens on this day. So maybe you're in the house doing that while your husband's in the yard doing the other. Or maybe everybody chooses to work together. So they're helping you in the house and you're helping in the yard. Doesn't matter. After all your work is done, then you can play, and hopefully you get it all done in the morning so you've got family fun day for the rest of the day. Don't forget, anytime you declutter, it's very vulnerable to more clutter, so those clutter checks are going to be really, really important, okay? Because you don't want this to happen over and over again where you have to keep decluttering. Once the decluttering is done, and we've got a habit of not decluttering, or at least a habit of having a clutter check to get that clutter gone, then it's going to be so easy to do the cleaning part and so lovely to enjoy your home. And it's not going to be a major in-house cleaning. It's going to be a minor in-house cleaning. Our major is our family and our life, and our house will stay clean. It'll stay lovely. Okay, that's it. And then you're going to finish out your after dinner routine and your before bed routines. That's your plan, payroll Fly Babies. Now let's pop over to our at-home. At-home Fly Babies, 2-layer cake. Okay, all your weekly home blessing hour and planning and desk day and errands and car and purse day, that was all done during the week, and you had a free day. So on Saturday, you don't have any of those. So that's out. The only thing you have is your morning routine, and then your children's morning routine, laundry, yours or the children's, an inch of paper, and then later on the after dinner routine and the before bed routine. Routines never stop. They never stop. Now on Sunday you won't be doing laundry. On Sunday you won't be doing paper, but you'll still be doing morning routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. Those just don't stop. Okay, it's like breathing. All right, so what are we doing today? We're doing the 5 routines split out and along the day. It is Family Fun Day. That is our basic weekly plan for the day, Family Fun Day. And we don't work in the zone because you worked in your zone all week long. So enjoy your day. And don't forget tonight, everyone, planning and looking in your planner. Take this planner out and look in it and see what's that. I wanted to show the pretty part, and I showed the middle. Hang on. Take that pretty planner out and plan for what's happening tomorrow, or look and see what's happening tomorrow. I know you're going to church, but have you forgotten what to take? That you're going to take a roast out tonight so you can have a roast for dinner tomorrow, or a baked chicken, or pork, or whatever it is. Don't forget to get that thawing, and then getting the clothes ready for church tomorrow, talking to the family about it so there's an acceptance tomorrow morning, because everyone knows this is what's happening, okay? Never spring anything on anyone. Before bed routines are a good example, but the same with going on any excursion or going to church. Don't spring it on people. Let them know. Plan ahead, okay? All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.